Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, how many lines of symmetry are there in the given figure? And we have given in figure, if a shape has a line of symmetry by folding it when the folded parts sits perfectly on top, then the fold line is called a line of symmetry. Hence, for the given figure, here we can observe, for the given figure here, there will be 4 lines of symmetry. Hence, given figure has 4 lines of symmetry. From given options, we have option B as 4.